Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to group PNG images in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to click New Slide drop down menu. Then create a blank slide. Then go to Insert menu and click Picture drop down menu and choose this device. Now go to your picture file location and insert it. Again go to insert menu and click picture drop down menu and choose device. Now insert another picture. Now you can see here are two PNG images. Now I can group these two images. Select shift on your keyboard and paste these two pictures. Now go to picture format menu, then click this group drop down menu, then press group. You can see I group PNG images in PowerPoint very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.